3 ways to make money with cryptocurrencies. In the first place, it is important that the method we choose to obtain returns on our capital adapts as best as possible to our personal characteristics, according to the knowledge, experience and the time we have. Second, one of the things you should keep in mind is that there are active and passive income systems. Assets are those that require you to do something to generate income. A clear example is trading cryptocurrencies. On the other hand, the passive ones are the ones that practically do not require you to take any action on your part. An example of this type would be depositing our coins in an exchange in exchange for interest. Here we present you 3 different ways to get returns on our capital, actively and passively, that really work, presenting each with different degrees of difficulty. We will go from the easiest to the most difficult. 1. Buy cryptocurrencies to invest. This type of investment consists of buying the coins with the most future and storing them safely, waiting for them to increase in value over time. Later we would sell them to obtain profits with the operation. It is the most basic way to get returns for our money and is known in the crypto space as hold or accumulate. An interesting way to buy cryptocurrencies to hold is through a strategy named DCA dollar cost average. It involves purchasing an asset on a regular basis, such as daily, weekly, or monthly, in order to acquire an average purchase price for the chosen currency. 2. Get rewards by staking. Staking is the practice of earning compensation for leaving cryptocurrency blocked in a wallet or exchange after they have been deposited. This strategy provides a twofold earning opportunity: price appreciation and dividend payments for your locked coins. We basically keep our crypto locked in a wallet, and this will allow us to earn additional coins for securing this particular crypto network. 3. Trade cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency trading is the act of speculating on the movements of various cryptocurrency pairings. The following are the primary distinctions as compared to investment. Trading operations are often maintained open for a shorter amount of time. Trading allows us to benefit both when the price rises, trading long, and when the price falls, trading short. It's crucial to understand that, in order to regularly earn money trading cryptocurrencies, you'll need to establish a plan with a favorable long-term view, manage risk, and regulate emotions. I hope the information has been useful to you. If you want to learn more about the world of cryptos, subscribe to our channel, and in the next videos we will be happy to bring you more information that will help you on your way to success. Thanks to all.